I'm about to put you on the most yummiest spicy chili that you'll ever taste, and it only takes a mere 20 minutes. Everyone who's tried it has fallen in love, so get ready. In a hot Dutch oven, we're going to start off with some oil and then some ground beef. To season, we're using salt and pepper. I like to be very generous with the pepper because I just love it. Next, I have some fresh grated garlic. I used about 8 cloves here. Then some diced onions. I used a mixture of white and red. I also added in 1 red bell pepper because I just love the spice. Make sure to mix everything together and add your tomato paste. Mix the tomato paste and all the veggies and the meats together. After everything's been well mixed, you're going to add your tomato sauce. I also like to add 2 cups of water. And of course, my secret ingredient is chicken bouillon. Now with the seasoning, of course, you have to add a lot of chili powder. I'm also going to add a mix of Italian seasoning, so this includes basil, thyme, oregano, you know the whole works. I also love this herbs from Providence with lavender in it because I feel like it adds a little bit of a kick. Even though we added the grated garlic, don't forget that garlic powder and onion powder. So for anyone who likes a little bit of spice, I added a shit ton of paprika. Balance the bitterness from the tomato sauce. I love to use blue agave and I get that from Trader Joe's. I love using pinto beans and kidney beans for my chili, so go ahead and use those too. But of course you can use any beans you want. This is your chili. I'm going to add the top of my Dutch oven and let it simmer on low heat for 6 minutes. Then voila guys, it looks so good. I like to give it a last stir and just make sure everything's incorporated. This recipe serves about 6 people easily and is such a crowd pleaser. Lactose, I'm going to use this vegan cheese and spread it all over my chili. Because I love spicy, I'm going to add some Tabasco and this just adds it to another level.